Hi, so in this tutorial we'll learn how to do a radial wipe or a circular wipe of a circle inside of After Effects. Right off the bat, I just want to tell you that it's very simple to do, but it's just hidden inside After Effects, so I'll just help you find it. So what we'll do is create a new composition. We'll go with 1920 to 1080p, and as soon as it's ready, we'll create a circle. Should be this size. We'll just align it. Sorry, we'll just align it to the center, and then go to the FX and Pieces tab and search for Radial Wipe. Yes, this is it. We'll just apply it to this. And what we need to animate is the transition completion thing basically. So just put a keyframe here and go to 2 seconds and then put another keyframe. Transition completion 100% is basically the circle invisible and 0% is the circle being visible. So this will happen something like this. I'm sorry, I just put this into the other circle. Yeah, now it should work. Yes, so 100% is the invisible state and the complete state is 0%. Now you can choose to do it clockwise or counterclockwise from here, and let's just easy ease and complete this whole animation. Yes, we are done. I think now we should have a very smooth animation. Yes, I think that works. So that was pretty much it. I hope that this video has helped you. Thank you very much for watching this video. This has been Satyajit. See you in the next one.